in order to demonstrate the default access level, I'm going to remove the publics here. So once I remove the publics, they now have default access modifier. And IntelliJ is giving away the clue already. Yes, there is a related problem. So from within the same package, there's no problem. We can still access the name and the say hi method like we were used to. But the problem is inside the more access modifiers. It's over here. Since it's now package private, it's default, we cannot access it from outside the package, and it says so when we hover over it. It says, name is not public, cannot be accessed from outside package. And it says the same thing for say hi, it cannot be accessed from outside package. And the solution would be to make it public. Alright, so that's the default access modifier. In this case, it can only be accessed in the package access modifiers because that's where I have my class person, and that's where I specify the default class members. The default access modifier is less restrictive than the private access modifier. The private access modifier only allows access from within the same class. The default access modifier is more restrictive than the public access modifier. But the default access modifier is also more restrictive than the protected access modifier. We haven't seen this one yet, and we're going to have a look at the protected access modifier in the next video.